I look really pink. What's up with that? Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Hey, boys and girls in Videoland, it's Lou. How are you? I am in the pink today, as they say, for some reason, lighting, whatever. But I wanted to pop on here and show you one of the many tools I share in my Cool Tools course. And this one is called MMHMM. Crazy name for a cool app. But what you can do in and again, I'm using and going live into Facebook, is, as you can see here, you can add all kinds of cool backgrounds on the fly, animated backgrounds. I can reduce my size on the screen or enlarge it or disappear altogether. So that's kind of cool. And I can share slides like this, slides on my shoulder. So I can go over here and I can move this over here and make it a little bit smaller. So this is my slide and my background. I can make it full screen behind me. This is MMHMM, one of the 28 or 29 tools I talk about in my Cool Tools course, which if you were lucky enough to get BC Stack last week, it was included in that. If not, you can still get it. I'll put the link below. And again, with this crazy software, let me stop the slides for a second. I can do wacky stuff like this, or I can be in any kind of an animated background or plain background. I can put whatever background I want with the click of a mouse. And you've got all these crazy presenter tools, so you can also make yourself look weird or green or normal or blue or rainy or purple or filmy. Anyway, so there's just a ton of fun, goofy effects here. Of course, now I don't know how to get back to where I was, but that's okay. And again, change out the backgrounds whenever you want to an animated background. But the cool thing is, it's like Zoom on steroids or Facebook Live on steroids, because you really can control everything that's happening on screen, and you can put up your slides at any point, either as a slide that you can move around on screen or full screen behind you like this. So I would have to move myself over so I'm not blocking the type, and maybe make myself a little smaller here. So in the Cool Tools course, oh, my head's getting cut off. I share video recording tools. I share Zoom alternatives like this one, MMHMM, which I'm using right now. I share video email tools. I love video email, live streaming tools, video creation tools, Animoto, Doodly, Magisto, YouTube tools like Thumbnail Blaster, TubeBuddy. So just a ton of tools and resources, not the least of which is this specific app, which I am playing with right now, called at mmhmm.app. In the mmhmm.app, I can move things around. I can change my background anytime I want to anything I want. And I can add GIFs like that. Live video GIFs. I can add videos. I can add slides. I can go back to my slide here. So this is a really fun, cool app. Very affordable. There is a free version. And this basically allows you to do all kinds of crazy stuff on your screen. Basically, you can do a slide presentation and advance your slides like this. These are some of the tools I share in the course, the Cool Tools course. There's free for an hour a day, or what does it say there? $8.33 a month annually, $8.33. So I got this because I wanted to check it out and test it and play with the different backgrounds and just see all the cool things you can do with it. It's just fun to be able to have different stuff on screen. I can put text on screen at any point, or graphics. I can switch out my slides, and I can put them over my shoulder instead of on screen. I can enlarge my image on screen or not. So there's no shortage of fun, cool, crazy stuff you can do with this app. MMHMM, coming to you from the Old West here. with my groovy effects. And this is all going from to Facebook Live. I could do the same with Zoom. I could record this and use it as is. I can bring other people on screen. So again, it's going to make the typical, you know, Head and Shoulders Facebook Live a lot more interesting and engaging. So I hope you'll check it out, and I hope you'll check out my course, Cool Video Tools, which you can get at the link below. Let me go over to Facebook and see how this looks. I think it's working. Oh my gosh. What do you know? Although I still look a little pink, but we'll work on that. The only thing I haven't tried yet is bringing people on screen, but I'll have to give that a shot. I can change the appearance of the room, like if I add text here, if I just put my name like as a lower third, I can add that like this. Okay, where is it? Oh, here it is. And I can also change the look of that so that I could just make it like default or neon or modern or classic. But if I just want a kind of a lower third kind of thing happening there, I'd probably do this and then put it down here, oh, like that. So again, you can add text, you can turn your slides off, you can turn your slides on and place them anywhere on the screen. Right now we are talking about the app, which is allowing me to do all this goofy stuff. Here, again, change the background anytime you want. You can make it animated. You can go full screen. A lot of cool animated backgrounds, goofy animated backgrounds. When I do my Moses video, I'll use this one. New York, New York, an office, a lovely forest with the mist in the grass, or some kind of goofy animated thingy. So I hope you'll check it out. It's kind of neat, kind of fun, very affordable. MMHMM. This is just one of the 28 different tools I review and demo in my Cool Video Tools course, which is available now. And like I said, you can add GIFs. I can add GIFs on the fly. I can make them full screen. So if I just go to within I can go right to Giphy and then just pull up whatever I want. So if I want this heart dude, there we go. The heart dude is dancing on the screen. I don't know what happens if I make that full screen or its shoulder or move it around. So that's kind of neat that you can add that stuff. Obviously text, images, videos. I can pull in any video from anywhere basically. It is lunchtime, right? I can do pizza rat. So there is no shortage of the goofy stuff you can do in this lovely, lovely app called So check it out if you have a chance, and you can do Facebook Lives with it, obviously. So that's it from here. I hope you have an awesome day and a great weekend, and I will catch you on the other side. This is Lou. Bye for now.